This deluxe stainless steel frying pan with lid is a great addition to any kitchen. It measures 11 inches, a good size for cooking many meals. The pan has a special Oil Gather Pro design. This helps collect extra oil, making your dinners healthier. The bottom of the deluxe stainless steel frying pan with lid is thick and made with 3 layers. This heavy bottom helps heat spread evenly, so your food cooks without hot spots. The Stay Cool handle is a nice touch, and it stays comfortable to hold while you cook. This frying pot is PFOA-free. That means it's made without harmful chemicals. You can use this deluxe stainless steel frying pan with lid on all kinds of stoves. It works on gas, electric, and even induction cooktops. Cleaning up is also easy because it's dishwasher safe. Plus, you can even put it in the oven. This pan is designed for everyday use. It's a practical tool, not a piece of art, but it gets the job done well. The design is simple and functional. Thinking about the price, this pan offers good value. You won't need a subscription to enjoy its benefits. A quick comparison with other pans might show its advantages. It's easy to clean in the sink. This pan will help you make many delicious dinners. It feels sturdy and well made. If you need a reliable frying pan, this one is worth considering. Pros: 11-inch size, Oil Gather Pro 3-ply bottom, heavy bottom, PFOA-free, Stay Cool handle, all. Stoves, dishwasher safe, oven safe. Cons: can stick food, needs preheating, uneven heating possible, can be heavy, handle can get hot. May discolor over time, requires careful cleaning, can be pricier, not always non-stick. Lid: not always oven safe. Features: deluxe stainless steel, includes a lid. 11-inch size, Oil Gather Pro 3-ply heavy bottom. PFOA-free, Stay Cool handle, compatible with all stoves, dishwasher safe, oven safe. This deluxe 11-inch stainless steel frying pan comes with a lid and has some helpful features for cooking. It has a special Oil Gather Pro design, maybe to help oil spread nicely. The bottom is made with 3 layers, which can help heat spread evenly. It's also made without PFOA, a chemical some people worry about. The handle stays cool to the touch while you cook. You can use this pan on any kind of stove. When you're done cooking, you can put it in the dishwasher or even in the oven. This 11-inch deluxe stainless steel frying pan has a special bottom that collects oil, which can help keep food from sticking and make it easier to clean. It has a heavy, 3-layer bottom for good heat, and it's made without harmful PFOA chemicals. The handle is designed to stay cool when you're cooking. You can use this pan on all kinds of stoves, and it's safe to put in the dishwasher and oven. However, food might stick sometimes, and you need to heat it up before cooking. The pan could heat unevenly, might feel heavy, and the handle could still get hot. Over time, it might change color and needs to be cleaned carefully. It might cost more than some other pans, and it's not always completely non-stick. Also, the lid might not be safe for the oven.